How to use Notion with students. Well, to use Notion with students, you can first set up an account to access the free Educational Plus plan with an institutional email. Then you can create a workspace to organize notes, projects, and deadlines using databases for courses, assignments, and a master calendar as well. Students can also use the web clipper to save online resources, embed videos, and collaborate with peers on shared projects as well. So first you want to head over to Notion Education page, the Notion Education page, and sign up. Make sure to use your institutional email address, example at the rate university.edu, to sign up to automatically qualify for the free plus plan for individuals. Once logged in, you can navigate to your settings and follow the prompts to get the free education plan. Then you can set up your student workspace by starting with templates, building custom databases, that is courses or classes, assignments, master calendar, and then you can proceed to create a dashboard as well. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.